Hello everyone. Welcome to Limitless Mindset. Today, we're exploring a crucial topic that can help you reshape your future: goal-setting strategies. If you're eager to turn your aspirations into achievements, you're in the right place. Let's discover the power of effective goal setting together. Let's kick things off by discussing why goal setting matters. Here are a few key benefits. Goals provide you with a clear path and keep you motivated to stay focused on your priorities. Setting goals enables you to monitor your growth and celebrate your achievements along the way. Research indicates that individuals who set goals are far more likely to achieve success than those who don't. So, let's get started on setting your own goals. Next, let's delve into the SMART Goals framework. This method ensures your goals are well-defined and effective. Here's what SMART stands for. Specific. Your goals should be clear and precise. Measurable. You should be able to track your progress. Achievable. Set goals that are realistic and attainable. Relevant. Ensure your goals align with your overall life objectives. Time-bound. Assign a deadline to create a sense of urgency. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," you might say, "I want to complete a 5K in under 30 minutes by June 1st. This formulation makes your goal specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now, let's discuss action steps. Breaking your goals down into smaller, manageable tasks is essential. This makes them less daunting. For our running example, here's how you could break it down. Week 1. Jog for 10 minutes 3 times a week. Week 2. Increase your jogging time to 15 minutes and add a 4th day. Week 3. Incorporate interval training to boost your speed. By taking it step by step, you'll create a clear roadmap to follow. Another effective strategy is to create a vision board. This visual tool can serve as daily inspiration. Here's how to craft one. Collect images, quotes, and reminders that resonate with your goals. Assemble these visuals into a board and place it somewhere you'll see it every day. Having a vision board keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind and fuels your motivation. Finally, let's talk about the importance of regular check-ins. Dedicate time each week or month to evaluate your progress. Ask yourself, am I on track? Do I need to make any adjustments? Flexibility is crucial. Life can present unexpected challenges, so be prepared to adapt your plans as needed. In conclusion, we've highlighted the essential aspects of effective goal setting. The significance of goals, the SMART framework, breaking them down into actionable steps, creating a vision board, and the need for regular reviews. I encourage you to take consistent action toward your goals and make your dreams a reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Limitless Mindset, and tap the notification bell for more inspiring content. We'd love to hear about your goals in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to take that first step toward your success.